See, this is at the second changeover point, so from the back straight into the bend. And here's the Canadian team, going to be led off by Savannah Blair into Diana Proctor, Odiaza and Tedger. For the Swiss team, Timea Rankel into Leah Thalman, Chloe Rabak and Alicia Massini. And the Jamaican team, so slick with their baton changes yesterday. Shnoya Mikia Douglas leading off into Aliyah Baker, Brianna Campbell and Alana Reid bringing it home. For the US team, this is Jade Brown leading them off. She will hand to Santera James, Avery Lewis and Taylor Schneer bringing it home. Alexandra Stoilova will lead off the Australian quartet, handing the baton to Tori Lewis, silver medalist in the 200 yesterday, Olivia Rose Inkster and Jessica Milat. And for the Puerto Rican team, Legne Echevarria, handing into Frances Colon, Amanda Andino and Karina Franceschi. For the Ukrainian team, this is Anna Karandakova. Hand it over to Diana Miroshnichenko, Yuliana Stepaniuk and Alina Kishkina. The Polish team, Olivia Zimolag, she will hand over to Klaudia Kristatek, Inga Kanitska and Jagoda Zukowska. Baton changes so crucial. It was a good start for the US team. They are blazing around, trying to make up the ground on the Jamaican team outside of them into the first changeover. Good changeover for the Jamaicans. A little bit sticky on the Americans. That enabled the Australians to get back into the competition on their inside. Here's this changeover. Again, great changeover from the Jamaicans. A good changeover and better, I think, from the Americans. Swiss team are also right up in there. This is where the Jamaicans were ahead at this point yesterday. And the American runner's gone too soon. That puts the Australian team in the lead, but Alana Reid, a look across, puts it into full throttle charging for that line and brings home that gold medal for Jamaica. It is the Swiss team celebrating a bronze medal performance courtesy of the baton exchange on that final exchange for the American team. We get another look at that. That is Avery Lewis coming in to hand the baton to Taylor Schneer. I think it might have been that Taylor Schneer went a little bit too soon. Ya había ganado los oros de los 4x100 y aquí está Jamaica ganando este título gracias a Douglas, Baker, Campbell y... There is the result. It was a gold medal performance for Jamaica. Australian taking the silver and the Swiss team, and you can see what it means to them to take that bronze medal.
When you watch an Olympic or World Championships senior relay 4x1, you have to remember that they train all year round as a squad together. These have qualified in the last few weeks and have maybe only trained together since they got into Lima. So it's a little bit rough and ready at times, and the checkpoints and the takeoffs also betray a little bit of nerves of youth, don't they? I think when we watched the USA on this last leg, that's what happened.
Yeah,
went too soon.
I think we are also hearing that there is a changeover under review for the Australian team at the moment as well. We did see yesterday just how well the Jamaicans did exchange the baton here, so you can see the outgoing US athlete Taylor Schneer does go a little bit too soon there, and she has to stop, break down, don't exchange the baton in time. That exchange was good there for Australia, and for Jamaica, extremely slick. The Swiss chasing hard at this point. I don't think they could believe their luck, but Alana Reid really away clear, has time for a look across just to check who is there for company inside. And it was the Australians in that silver medal position.
The Australian handover was this one. I think it was way, way long. Oh, no, it's the second one. It's 2 to 3. There's a bit of a juggle here as well.
At the World U20 Championships, the women's 4x100m relay final brought together elite young athletes from around the globe. Among the participating teams were powerhouses like Jamaica, the United States, Australia, and Switzerland, all looking to claim the coveted gold medal. The race started from the second changeover zone, transitioning from the back straight into the curve. The Jamaican team, well known for their smooth baton changes, fielded an exceptional lineup. Mikia Douglas led off, handing to Aliyah Baker, then to Brianna Campbell, with Alana Reid anchoring. Their exchanges were seamless, continuing the flawless execution they demonstrated in the heats. The U.S. squad, led by Jay Brown, faced challenges with their baton passes. Brown passed to Santura James, then Avery Lewis, who aimed a hand over to Taylor Schnee. However, Lewis's approach was mistimed, and Schnee appeared to start too early, forcing an awkward stop that disrupted their rhythm and likely cost them medal. Australia had a strong showing, with Alexander Stoya starting the race and passing to 200-meter silver medalist Tori Lewis. The team included Olivia Rose Inkster and Jessica Mill, and they executed their changes effectively. Although one handover, the second to third exchange, appeared slightly stretched and may have been under review. Nonetheless, they fought hard and finished with the silver medal. Switzerland delivered a surprise performance, capitalizing on mistakes from other teams. Their final changeover was clean, allowing them to surge ahead and claim bronze. For a nation not traditionally dominant in sprints, this result was a huge success and a testament to precision and teamwork. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian and Polish teams also participated with determination. Ukraine's Anna Karandova, Diana Marenko, Juliana Stuk, and Alina Kishkina gave solid effort, while Poland's squad of Olivia Zimulag, Claudia Chris, Inga Kitka, and Jagoda Zakowska competed fiercely, though neither managed to finish on the podium. Jamaica ultimately won gold with a season-best time of 43.39 seconds, continuing their dominance in the women's 4x100m relay at the U20 level. This victory marked their third consecutive world title in this event, following triumphs in Nairobi 2021 and Cali 2022. The result underlined the strength of Jamaica's sprint program, even at the youth level. While senior athletes often struggle with relay chemistry due to individual event focus, these young runners showed what can be achieved with team cohesion and precise timing. The success also raises the question, are U20 relay teams more consistent than senior squads? With focused training and clear team roles, youth teams like Jamaica's are setting a new standard. As World Championships in China approach, fans hope these young stars will carry their momentum forward and perhaps inspire their senior counterparts to do the same.